Hello student, today we are going to learn how to draw polygon in AutoCAD. In AutoCAD, Polygon Command is used to draw polygon. AutoCAD Polygon Command. Here we draw equilateral polygon with polyline. Polygon command shortcut POL. There are two methods of polygon command. One, edge option or edge method. Here given length of side of polygon. Number two, circle method or option, inscribe and circumscribe. Inscribe means within a circle we draw a polygon. Here radius of the circle are given. Circumscribe means we draw polygon above the circle where radius of the circle are given. Okay, first we draw AutoCAD Polygon Command circle method. Circle method in inscribed in circle. This is a circle of given radius 100. We draw the hexagon or any polygon within the circle. We type in command line polygon command shortcut POL, enter. Enter the number of sides. Here number of sides we type 6, enter. Specify center of polygon. Center of polygon is the center of the circle. Center of the circle. We click on this center. Here enter an option within bracket inscribed in circle and circumscribe about circle. For inscribed we type I and enter. Now specify radius of the circle. We given radius of this circle, this red circle, radius is 100. Okay, or we can draw polygon in circle method, inscribe in circle, inscribe in a imaginary circle. Say type POL for polygon command, number of sides 5, enter. Center of polygon, if center of polygon any point here, inscribe. For inscribe type I, enter. Specify radius of the circle. Radius of the imaginary circle 40, enter. Okay, now we draw polygon in circle method, circumscribe in circle. This is a circle of radius 100. We draw equilateral polygon outside the circle. For polygon command, type POL, enter. Enter the number of sides 5, enter. Specify center of polygon. This is the center. Circle center and polygon center are same. This is the center. Then for circumscribe, type C, enter. Specify radius of the circle. Circle radius 100, because we draw the polygon within or outside the circle. Circle radius 100. Here circle is given. When circle is imaginary, then type POL, polygon, number of sides say 6, enter. Specify center of polygon, center any point here. Enter an option inscribe or circumscribe. For circumscribe, type C, enter. Specify radius of the circle. We given imaginary circle radius 50, enter. Okay, now we draw polygon in edge method or option. Edge means given length of the sides of polygon. First we draw a hexagon, length of the side 50. Type POL, polygons command shortcut. Enter number of sides, type 6 for hexagon. Specify center of polygon or within bracket edge. For edge option, type E, enter. Specify first end point of edge. First end point, click here, any point. Then specify second end point with respect to this point. Second end point coordinate at the rate of 50, 0. Okay. Now we draw a pentagon, sides 60, and this edge is vertical. Now type polygon command shortcut POL, enter. Enter number of sides 5 for pentagon. Specify center of polygon or within bracket edge. For edge option, type E, enter. Specify first end point of edge. First end point of edge, any point here. Next, specify second end point of edge. We given coordinate of second end point with respect to this point at the rate of 0, 60. Okay. It is clear, my student. Thank you.